This house is located in Da Nang, Vietnam with an area of around 275 square meters. This AD house construction site faces a unique challenge within this urban landscape of environmental and noise pollution. Designing a building that is both open and allows for proper ventilation poses difficulties in establishing connections between people and nature. Furthermore, finding harmony between nature and the city's overall structure, both vertically and horizontally, presents an additional obstacle in the design process. The design problem solving from the outside to the inside, all the while ensuring the beauty of the house. When it comes to the exterior, by implementing a double-layered envelope system with empty cells and natural padding, effectively minimizing the exposure to direct sunlight and rain inside the rooms. This allows nature to permeate every corner of the living space. To maximize the use of the land, the designer leave front, middle, and backyards and created a large atrium space in the middle of the house, dividing it into two halves. One half is dedicated to sunlight, wind, trees, and open space, while the other half is designed for family activities and equipped with necessary utilities. The house is connected both vertically and horizontally through large glass doors that open towards the atrium, making it the focal point of the house. This design promotes communication between family members, allowing them to interact in every corner of the house.